I've wasted hours getting blocked by AI content filters and hitting generation limits on tools that promise to be free. It's frustrating when you have a creative idea and the tool just won't let you make it. So I went hunting for alternatives that actually work. I found 3 AI video generators that don't censor your prompts, don't limit your generations, and don't ask for your credit card. These have completely changed how I create content, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use them. Now let's take a look here at this first video from the first tool, and here on this one you can see this dog playing with this little cat, and I think it does look quite adorable. And then here on the right we can see that this platform also has the likes, then the comments, and you can also remix if you want to. Now if we take a look here at the second example, for example this another video, toddler behind a cat. The cat looks kind of mean and angry, and yeah, this one also looks super interesting and kind of cute as well. And then here we have the likes as well, and then the comments. Overall, really good video. Now let me show you how you guys can also generate very similar videos to those right here. So pretty much what you will have to do here down below, you will have this ask anything option. And then here, if you click on plus, you can also add your own images, which you would like to animate. And then here we have the create option. Now, first I will here type in this my simple example of a prompt. So a slow rotating shot of a sleek black smartwatch on a matte surface, soft studio lighting, shallow depth of field, subtle reflections, premium commercial style. Now here I will also ask it at the beginning, create a video, and then here we can click on send, and right now this platform will do everything for us. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this type of content, do me a favor, smash up the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And by the way, if you need some really good prompts which will take your image generation to a whole new level, I made an ebook for Nano Banana, and you guys can check it out in the video description down below. And now here we have 4 video examples from this tool. I will mention the name of this tool just in a second. So for example, let's take a look here at this first shot of this video. So this video is 5 seconds long, and it also has an audio, and I think it does look super crisp. And then here we have the image prompt, animation prompt. We have also add audio option, and then we can also swap people if we have people on our video. And if you want, you can also extend the animation, which I think it's super cool. Now let's take a look at here, for example, at the second one. You can see that on this one, the watch looks a bit different. Overall, really good video as well. Then we have here the third one, and then the fourth one as well. So overall, I'm quite happy with the results. For example, let's also try to extend this animation. So if I click here on extend, it will start to regenerate the video with the extended animation. So now we can take a look at this 9 seconds long video. You can see that the animation was extended from 5 seconds to 9 seconds, and I think that this is pretty cool looking. Now, if you want to download the videos from this platform, just simply click here on this button and it will save this video to your computer. And by the way, the name about this platform is Meta AI, and I will leave a link for it in the video description down below. Now let's go straight here to the second tool. Pretty much what you can do here, you can upload your own video input, and then here you can also describe your audio description. Now this tool's name is HunyuanVideo-Foley, and here for example we can click to upload, and you can for example upload your own video, and then here we can also do audio description. For example, a person walks on frozen ice. And then if I scroll here down below, we can also see some of the examples. So let's take a look here at the first one, and I think that it does look super clean, and it also has an audio. So if you want to download this example here from this platform, simply click here on this download button. Now here we have another video. This one also looks super sleek. So it's looking like a person, it's walking through the forest, and it's looking super realistic as well. Now here we have third example, and there's a guy jumping from this platform, and this one also is quite interesting. So overall, I'm quite happy here with the results. And by the way, I will also put a link for this platform in the video description down below, totally unlimited and free. And then there's also a third platform. Now on this platform, you can also go here to the explore page where you will find some really cool trends. And also if we click here on AI shorts, we can also see here add the animated videos as well. For example, we can click here on the image of this eyes, and we can see here that this video is 40 seconds long. So pretty much this whole video was generated with this third platform. And I think that it looks super interesting. We can also take a look here at this second video here, 1 minute long one, and yeah, it's quite crazy what AI can actually create here. So on this platform, pretty much you can click here on create, and then here down below you have an AI agent, but you can also manually select here AI video if you want to create AI videos. And then here I will paste in this my simple prompt: rainy cyberpunk street at night, neon signs in blue and pink, pedestrians with umbrellas, wet pavement reflections, handheld camera feel, cinematic mood. And then here I will also change the aspect ratio to 16:9, and the resolution is 720p, and now I will also change this to 10 seconds long. Now you can also upload your first and last frames. However, this video generator also has multi-frames if you want to add them a few more. Now here you want to also select this latest model, so Video 3.5 Pro, and once you have pretty much everything selected here for the free version you can go with this one, Video 3.0 Fast. This one is quite good. And then here let's click on this and it will start the video generation. So you can see that it started to dream, and by the way, yeah, the platform name is Dreamina AI, and this one is from CapCut, and you can also use it completely for free on this link. I will also put a link for it in the video description down below, and you can also see how fast it's actually generating these videos. It's already at 20%. So let's just wait for a few seconds and then I will show you the result. And now here we already have the result on dreamina.capcut.com, and we can take a look at it. So pretty much I think it looks super interesting here. It has this writing which is a bit wrong and off. However, the movement of the people, it's quite realistic nevertheless. And also here, the rain here is super realistic, as well as here, this water on the street is also super interesting. Now, down below, you can also generate a soundtrack. You can upscale the video, edit the prompt, regenerate the video, or even interpolate. Now, if you want to save it to your computer, simply click on the download button and it will save it to your computer with Dreamina watermark. Now, this have been pretty much 3 tools which are totally free and unlimited, and I will also put a link for every single one of them in the video description down below. Now, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all around in the next video.